Moving on now, Israelis celebrating their newfound freedom from coronavirus restrictions, including the lifting of the mask-wearing mandate. But are we again celebrating too soon? An outbreak of the virus reported at a school in Modi'in with 11 children confirmed infected and some 90 other students placed in quarantine. Joining me to discuss is Professor Yehuda Adler, internal cardiology medical director and specialist, and coronavirus advisor to several local authorities. Professor Adler, thank you so much for being with us. Now, did we make a mistake by removing the mask mandate?
No, we made a mistake when we canceled the Green Pass 3 weeks ago or 1 month ago. And I think we spoke then, and I told you it's a mistake, it's too early. You can't do it so early when all over the world there is a coronavirus. And what happened in the school with the father who came from abroad and contaminated his son, and his son went to the school and contaminated all the others, prove that I'm right. The big problem we have today is, one, the airport of Ben Gurion. Second, the nearly 1 million people, adult people, who are not immunized. Three, the children who are not immunized. And four, we have to remember that even if I got the vaccination twice, it's not necessary I'm immunized, because it's only 95% success. 5%, 1 for 20, are not succeeding to be immunized by the vaccine. So we have to remember all those details and to be careful, especially in Ben Gurion Airport.
So is this an outbreak that we should be worried about, though? Can it get any worse, or should most of our concerns be surrounding people traveling in and out of the country?
I don't think we have to be worried about it, and I think the Minister of Health and the office worked very well in this case. But we have to improve our abilities and technologies in Ben Gurion. I don't know what is going with the bracelet today, but we are not doing it. We are not doing the following of the icon of the telephone, the smart phone. We are not following the people who are coming enough to be in isolation, where they need to be in isolation in Israel. So we have a lot of problems we have to improve in Ben Gurion Airport. And Ben Gurion is the main problem here. The second problem is the cancellation, as I said, of the Green Pass, because let's say you are going to a theater, and in the theater you have 300 people. And let's say 30 of them are not immunized, and one of them are with coronavirus, and it can contaminate a lot of people. So it was a mistake. It was a political decision, as I said before, and not a medical decision, and I'm sorry for it. So in this situation, we don't have to worry, but we have to be very, very careful. I want to show you what is going in Britain. In Britain, there is another spike of coronavirus. This is the variant from Hodu. And we know that the Pfizer vaccine is working against it, but in England, they didn't get the Pfizer. They got another, I don't remember what they called exactly, but it's not so efficiency against this virus from Hodu, the variant. So our situation is very, very good. And we have to keep our success and not to lose it. And the system should be more careful. We have to be careful. I want to tell you, when I'm coming to a crowded place, I'm putting a mask on my face because I'm very careful. But it's not over, because we are not an autocratic economic situation. We have, flights from everybody, from everywhere to Israel and vice versa. So we have to be careful. But the situation is very good.
All right, so again, it really just sounds like we need to stay vigilant if we want to prevent the spread of the virus. And we need to wear our masks where there are crowds, be on the safe side. And we really just need to be smart about what it is that we're doing.
And we have to be careful with our flights abroad. If it's necessary, it's necessary, but if not, don't do it. And if you are doing it, go with a mask.
All right, Professor Yehuda Adler, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.